Hey guys, welcome to iSpecs, and in this video we are going to take a look at upcoming LG G8 flagship smartphone, and before that please subscribe to iSpecs for informative tech videos. Let's begin with the design. Like the G7, there is a notch dual camera setup and a slight chin at the bottom on front. The G8 appears to have horizontally aligned dual rear cameras rather than vertically aligned ones on G7, and will have regular fingerprint scanner below the camera module and LED flashlight just right to it. It will have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mic, USB Type-C port and a loudspeaker grill at the bottom of the phone, and there is nothing on top other than a secondary noise cancellation mic. On the right side of the device, you can see the power button with the SIM card tray right below it. On the left side of the device, you will find the volume up and down keys, and below those, the dedicated Google Assistant key. As for the display, the LG G8 founds a 6.1 Full HD plus IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The combination of Full HD display and a pixel density of 545 ppi makes the display aspect of the device quite strong. It is also provided with a Corning Gorilla Glass. The battery facet of the device is equipped with a 3300 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is added with the facility of quick charging, which in a way compensates for the average battery backup. The camera aspect is a key feature of the device. It comes with a 16MP plus 20MP dual primary camera coupled with a dual color LED flash. The quality of the image captured is reflected with a resolution of 4616 by 3464 pixels. For the selfie freaks, it has a 16MP front camera which brings forth some excellent selfies. Moving to the core specifications, it was being speculated that the G8 will come flaunting the Snapdragon 855 chipset. LG is revealing something at MWC 2019, and the LG G8 ThinQ is the most likely candidate. LG has sent out invites to a February 24 event at Barcelona International Convention Center in Barcelona. Considering the hand in the video uses swipe to interact with the paper on screen, this insert air gestures being a big part of LG G8. That's all for this video. Hope you end up liking it. Smash that thumbs up button if you do. Subscribe to iSpecs for more informative tech videos, and also turn on notifications to get notified every time we publish a new video. With that being said, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.